No one could have predicted this buying frenzy. Welcome to your Sarasota and Manatee Gulf Coast market update for August 2020. Hi everyone, this is Kim Dowling, broker owner of Coastal Luxury Partners, and no one could have predicted the numbers I'm about to present to you. No one could have foreseen with COVID that the real estate market would make such an incredible rebound. I've been in real estate for 26 years, and we've always said it, people want to move to Florida. There is so much demand, especially here in Sarasota and Manatee, and that demand, combined with a few financial catalysts, has kicked off the housing growth that has come our way. A few months ago, we had double-digit declines across the board, and then we slowly started to rise, and now the tides have officially turned. We are in a buying frenzy. So let's take a look at residential real estate activity in our area for the month of July. The number of residential homes sold for July was 1,785 sales, up 26% from 1 year ago and up 23% from the previous month. Now, we had an incredibly strong real estate market last year, and with everything we have been through with this pandemic, it makes these sales numbers even more impressive. As people continue to spend more time at home, we are seeing the strongest growth in single-family homes, away a little bit from the condo market. Families are looking for more space to live and play and work. Our needs have changed a bit. For example, the largest jump has been in 3-bedroom homes. People want that extra bedroom beyond a guest room to use for a bonus room, like an office or an exercise studio. And you get some more options when you have a little bit more space to roam. We continue to experience low inventory, and our listings continue to drop. The number of active listings was down 34% from 1 year ago and down 13% from the previous month. People are not putting their homes on the market, and when they do, the inventory is moving really quickly. If you are thinking of your next dream home and you want to make a change, if now is the time, the great news is that when you price your home correctly and you launch it with a massive and widespread digital marketing campaign, your home will sell. And call us before you price your home. I am seeing agents price homes with numbers that are pre-COVID, and it's a big mistake. The market has shifted, so let us help you pull every dollar out of your home so you can invest that money in your future. It's a seller's market, and it's imperative that you partner with an agent that knows how to use the recent market data to price your home, and a marketing team that knows how to market virtually with proven strategies to get people far and beyond our Gulf Coast area. We know how to virtually drive out-of-town buyers through your front door for a home tour. All right, now here's an important number. What happens when sales rise and inventory goes down? Sales prices start to gain momentum, and get ready because the average listing price for the month was $455,983. That's 19% higher than last year. And the average sale price was $436,000, an increase of 18% over last year, and an increase of 7% month over month. And average days on market for July sits at 85 days. There's not much of a change year over year or month over month. Buyer demand is high, and buyers are taking advantage of the opportunities in this market, most notably the historically low interest rates that we continue to experience. It's not going to last forever. It's going to change dramatically in a few months. So yes, there is a window of opportunity to sell your home. And please don't sell your home for less than it's truly worth. We have a process to price your home at its true value, to the sale price that the market will bear. And it's combined with marketing that creates a true sales win for our clients. And if you're a buyer, we have secret strategies to boost your offers and give you an edge. It's not easy out there right now for buyers. Multiple bids, highest and best, homes are going under contract very quickly. So we've got the inside secrets to get you that home that you love. These numbers for July have shocked the media, they've shocked the so-called experts, but they didn't shock the people in the trenches, the real estate agents that have been working hard and knew the numbers would be impressive when we closed out the month. Our strategy is to keep our heads down, stay in the trenches, and continue to make the process successful and fun for our clients. Go to Move to 941.com to request a seller valuation and take a look at our current incentives at coastalrebates.com. We want to give back and make a difference in our community whenever you buy or sell a home. And remember, we started this past spring and we will continue all summer long to give back to our local food banks on behalf of our buyers and sellers, just to help our neighbors in need and do our part. As always, feel free to call or email for a private chat. We know the market and we are here to be of service as you make smart and profitable real estate decisions.